Today I'm going to show you how to install ElementaryOS 6.1 on this piece of hardware from Acer. It's called Acer One and it's marked with a serial number S1002. It's a fantastic machine. I cannot describe with my limited vocabulary what a fantastic machine it is. Acer, in their godlike smartness, decided it would be a great idea to create a hardware where the bootloader, the UEFI, is 32 bits and the CPU is 64 bits, which means it will not accept Windows in 64-bit format. It will only accept the 32-bit format. With Linux, that's a different story. I've installed Linux with 64-bit Linux on this machine, and here is how. First of all, it has a USB port right here in the bottom right? But it's not gonna boot. You will not be able to boot an operating system from this. There is a micro USB to USB type A cable needed. Now, I've used Ventoy and to boot my operating systems. Ventoy is a great toy, by the way. So I've plugged in this cable with pen drive, powered it up, and once you see the logo, you press F12. Now, UEFI, and that's my pen drive. So you get the Ventoy. I think that would be best like that. Okay, so I plugged in pen drive with Ventoy on it and with multiple ISOs on it. I also plugged in a USB type A hub with mouse and keyboard attached to it, just so that I don't have to use the laptop's crappy touchpad or keyboard and move the whole thing and cover the screen and all stuff like that. Okay, so Elementary 6.1 stable, enter. Now it's gonna boot and it's gonna ask you, it's just gonna start checking the medium. That shouldn't be a default option. It does it every single time. Yeah, I checked it once. It's fine. Why would I check it Very, very, very frustrating. It's a fantastic machine. The machine is just so wonderful. It has the RAM that is soldered in. It has the storage that is not even an SSD. It's a memory card that is soldered in. But yeah, you can still make it work, so I'll try and show you how. So let's start. English, at least for me. United Kingdom. Select. Keyboard is US. Default. And now in here, this is the interesting bit. You do not use the erase disk and install, you use custom install advanced. Now, you choose your disk and you choose modify partitions. Now, in here, you'll have your pen drive, which in my case is dev SDA, and you'll have your memory, your laptop's drive, which is the bloody SD card, which is the dev/mmcblk. It's either going to be 1 or 2. In this case, it's 2. You choose that one to make sure that's highlighted. And you right click and delete all the partitions in here. Delete, delete. So that you have unallocated 28.5 gigabytes. You right click, you choose new, you choose 512, and you choose primary, and you choose ext4, and you don't choose any labels. So in this you'll have ext4 512 megs, and then you'll have unallocated. You right click on the unallocated, you choose new, you choose 512, then you choose primary, and you choose I'm going to choose FAT32 in here, and you choose add. So now you have ext4 512, FAT32 512. Now you're going to right click on the unallocated, you choose new 4096. That's the size in megabytes. It's a primary, and it's going to be Linux swap, and you're doing add. Correct. And now you have 23.5 new. You're going to leave the size unchanged. Primary partition ext4 add. Now we're going to be left with unallocated space of 1 meg or something like that. And you choose to apply all the operations. Now that's done. You click close. You close the gparted top left here. Right. Getting the configuration, and as you can see, you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 partitions. You click on the first one, use this partition, you're going to format it, you're going to make it a custom /boot, and it's ext4. The second one, the yellow one, right click, use this partition, format boot/EFI, and it's going to be FAT32 as it is already chosen in here. Now this one, use partition, swap, leave it. This one, use partition, format, root, ext4, leave it. Now you're going to apply that, and it's going to be installing. Right, installation is done. Restart the device, and I'm gonna show you how it fails to boot and then what needs to be done about it. Now, I'm gonna unplug that pen drive. Boom, there you go. That's fantastic. So what you're going to do is you're going to power it down. I plugged in the pen drive again, and I'm booting it. Right. And again, would you like to check your files again? Yeah, please. So the machine is booted up, top right corner of the screen, Wi-Fi stuff, and you're connecting to your Wi-Fi. English. Oh God. Oh, the second time is the charm. I changed nothing and I clicked connect. I'm supposed to choose United Kingdom, select United States, default. try. Okay, now the quickest way, we'll go to the web. Wow, speed demon. And we're gonna search, oh, Jesus Christ. Yes, thank you. I needed that. Now you can find my name S1002. Click on that. This will give you all the list of all the commands. Oh, I forgot. What a wonderful. It's so responsive. You just can't imagine. Yeah, but that's live USB. It's really not that bad. Right. So sudo su, because I'm not going to be sudoing every single one of those commands. Now, the best thing you can do is fdisk-l, and you're going to look at your dev mmcblk. It's 2. In here in the command, it's 1. We don't care. We will fix it as we go along. So what you do is you copy that command, you paste it. You know what? I'm going to be cheating a bit. I have those commands on a pen drive. I'm going to just plug in the pen drive and I'm going to be going from there because it's just... You can use the website. I'm going to be using the pen drive because I can. Right. I can maybe make that bigger. Yes, I can. Now, those are the commands we'll be using. First command is all run as root. Boom. Can I make this bigger maybe? Hey, not too bad. Second command. Third command. Fourth command. Fifth command. Sixth command. Seventh command. Now this last command will kick you into the chroot. Boom, sorted. Now we are chrooted into the installation. Yeah, just update. Now that's all good and fine, and we're running the command number 6. Now this, as you can see, is telling you I want you to type exactly this. Paste. Now, once this is run, I'll need the file number 3 from my pen drive, and I won't need those in it. Now, you will be running that command It actually should be. I will, yeah, that's done. So we're gonna run fdisk-l again. Make sure that, yeah, we're mmcblk2. This is where we're gonna go next. Paste. Installing i386 EFI platform. So we've installed grub, we've updated grub. Now we're gonna exit the chroot and we're gonna reboot. And we're gonna unplug the pen drive. Right, pen drive is unplugged. As you can see, there's nothing next to the power cable. And as you can see, it's actually booting into the ElementaryOS 6.1. And as you can see, the installation worked perfectly fine. Thank you for watching. Bye.